Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ani Intan Farica. You can call me Ani. I'm from Shipbuilding Institute of Polytechnic Surabaya, and I'm fresh graduate in 2023, majoring design and manufacture engineering. And my GPA is 3.5. I have 15 month experience and 5 companies. And one, I'm a designer or drafter or mechanical drafter in PPNS Technology Indonesia, and 2, I'm an improvement system engineer in PT Zenith Alumni Presido, and 3, I'm an AI developer in PT Semeru Indonesia, and 4, I'm a mechanical drafter in CVI Dekadia Semesta, and now I am audit finance in PT Babaravi Enterprise Indonesia. I'm a familiar hard skill for machining, CNC, or engineering, or improvement system, lean manufacturing, and Six Sigma, audit finance, or etc. And master soft skill is highly organized, team builder, good communication, good adaptable, and higher self-resilience. And achievement, I have to award from ITS and PPNS. I'm a manager of event design board competition and design innovation competition, and 2 of both award is third winner. And the last, I like new challenge in the field, adapting to new things about, especially those that greatly support my skills in human development engineering. And thank you, and I'm apologize for many words in wrong, and wassalamualaikum